Hello everyone. Today's video about rearranging formula. Let's see here some example. Make x the subject. Okay, so here I write the 4 example. Let's see how can we solve it. So first example, y equal x plus 80. So we want to make x subject means we have to isolate x. Additional things we are going to move opposite side. So here if we want to get rid of this plus 80, then we have to do opposite operation of the plus addition. So opposite operation of addition is a minus, so we are doing the minus 80, but from both sides, not only one side but from the both side. So a minus 80 we can write like this, a minus 80, because we cannot subtract them, right? They are variable, that's why. And here this is going to be a cancel down, plus and minus, that becomes the 0. So here remain the x. So this is the, now x stand alone means it is the subject now. Here normally subject must be at the left hand side. So just we switch. This x we move to the left side, and this all both terms we moving to the right side. We just switching the side. Okay. If you leave here, still it is a correct answer. But this is the, looks very presentable your work. Okay. So let's see second question. It says the y equal 5x minus n. So here again we have to make the x subject, means whatever the extra things we have to get rid of them things. Here we have to get rid of this minus n and 5. But how can we, what should we move first, or what should we neutralize first? So here last video if you see, then you know about the board mask, right? Board mask. But here we not follow this board mask in this order, correct order. We follow in opposite order. So subtraction first, then addition, then multiplication, then division, then powers, and last bracket. Okay, because here is the equation. Board mask we can follow for the expression. When we have an equation with the equal sign, then we use the other way around order. Okay. So let's solve this one. So in that case we have to do first subtraction. So n is a subtract by the with the x. That's why we first get rid of this n. So opposite of the minus is a plus n, but both side. Okay. So y plus n equal 5x, and minus n and plus n going to be a cancel down. Okay. Now we have to get rid of this 5, and 5 it's multiply with the x, right? As you know that x multiplication sign is invisible. Okay. So I am going to divide both side by the 5. You can say it's the divide or fraction form. So this 5 can cancel down, and y plus n, both terms we are dividing by the 5. So we can write better in a fraction form. So y plus n divide by 5. Okay. Both terms divide by 5 equal to x. So this is the answer, and as I told you in previous question, make the x subject. So let's we write in a left side, and just we switching the left side to terms to the right side, and right side terms to the left side. Okay. So this is our final answer. Let's move on for the next question. It says the yx minus x equal t. So you might have a question. Here is a 2x. How can we, which x we make the subject? So here what we are going to do, we factorize it, means we take out the common x from the both terms. So I will take out the x from the both common term, and whatever the leftover, that I am going to write in a bracket. So I take out the x outside of the bracket, so I divide x both sides. So here remain the y minus sign, and x cancel down, then it's remain the 1 equal to t. Now because I want to make the x subject, so this whole bracket I am going to move opposite side. It means we have to divide y minus 1 from the both side, because this bracket multiply with the x. That's why we dividing bracket. Okay. So this bracket going to be a cancel down. So x equal t divide by y minus 1, and here no need to write the bracket because we write in a fraction form. So if it is division, better write in a fraction form. Okay. And of course x is a subject and it is already at the left side. So no need to change the side. Let's see the question number 4. It says the y equal 2a square plus n divided by x. So here, first we have to get rid of the plus or minus sign. So 2a square is a plus. It has a relation with the x is addition and front of addition sign. So opposite of the plus is a minus. So we subtract the 2a square from the both side. So here it's remain the y minus 2a square equal, this is going to be a cancel down, and here remain the n over x, right? Okay, now we have to make the x subject, right? So you think we can move the n opposite side? No, but no. Why? Because x is a denominator. We are not keep the any term denominator as a subject. So first we have to make this x as a numerator number. So we move it opposite side. So automatically it's going to a multiply, and multiply means comes to the top side. So multiply both side by the x, right? So here remain the x in a bracket y minus 2a square, because when I move this x this side, I have to multiply with the both terms y and 2a square, okay? That's why. And here x and x cancel down, so n remain. Okay, we are not making n subject, we are making the x subject. So this bracket we have to get rid of. So what we are going to do, we divide this bracket y minus 2a square from the both side, okay? Y minus 2a square, I will write these things in a bracket. So this bracket going to cancel down. So here remain x, and this side n over y minus 2a square. This is the final answer. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel.